Hi guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. So today I'm making a video that I didn't think that I will make because I've talked about this on Instagram a lot. I just don't feel like making a closet tour because first of all my closet is messy, and second of all I have too much stuff and I just don't believe that I am an example when it comes to that. I truly and I know that I believe and I know that I have a problem when it comes to buying on the impulse or impulsively buying, or maybe a shopping addiction. So I have to be, or I want to be careful about it when it comes to showing how many stuff I have, because I know that as a person who actually struggle with buying less and buying more consciously, I don't like watching closet tours. I don't like watching hauls videos, and that's why I have a problem, or I have a hard time making that type of video. But since I have been making a closet clean out this past week, like this past two weeks, I've made a little clean out when it comes to my shoes. I've made a little clean out when it comes to my jackets and blazers, also this part here. And today I wanted to talk about making clean outs and making a clean out when it comes to my skirts. So my skirts are up there with, I think this part, we have dresses on this part, but most of this here on the top is just all about skirts. So this is actually, like, this rack is it covers the whole wall, so this is actually the biggest part of my closet. So I have most of my pieces here. I have skirt here, blazers and jackets there. I have pullovers on the other side, as much as blouses and tops. So, and my jackets and winter jackets are on other racks. So I think that I'm just going to take all the skirts from the rack, put it on this rack over there, so we can discuss how I choose the pieces I keep and the ones that I don't keep. It's possible that I keep everything. I'm not sure about it yet. So we are just going to talk about it, and we are going to see if I'm actually leaving pieces out, keeping some pieces, and yeah, we are going to see. So let me put everything on this rack. I'm not even sure, because this rack is a little bit smaller than that part over there, but I'm just going to try, and we are going to see if it works or not. Let's see. So that's it. As you can see, I've taken all the skirts. That other part is just about dresses and jumpsuit. I'm going to do that on another day. But if you just look at the rack over here, you will probably notice that there's definitely no way that I can wear all this skirt in a year. And usually this is what I do. I take a piece and I ask myself, when was the last time I used it, or when was the last time I wore it. If I'm talking about this leopard printed skirt over here. The material is really warm. I think it's polyester. It's definitely a winter piece. If I'm asking myself when was the last time I wore this, I wore this probably, the last time I wore this was probably, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 years ago. And if I know that I've not worn a piece for over a year, there's a chance that I would never wear it again. Like I could wear it, but if I didn't wear it for like 1 or 2 years, there's definitely a chance that I would never wear it again. Then I will ask myself, is there a chance that I will wear this again? I don't think so, because I have another leopard print skirt. I don't know, leopard printed skirt, maybe. Here it is. Here it is, and I wear it. I love the print better. Like for me, there's no comparison when it comes to the print. Like the print here, I find this print way better looking than this one. And I've worn this one this past month, I think, like 2 times already. So I definitely know that I will not wear this piece again. And if I know that I will not wear it again, I'm going to ask myself, okay, who can I give it to? Probably my sister. I'm going to ask her if she wants it. But this is already a piece that I know that I will not wear again, so it just comes to the side, and I'm going to ask my sisters if they are interested, and if one of them is, she will get it. If not, I will probably sell it or donate it. So that's usually what I do. I will not do this with all my pieces. I just wanted to do a small video to show you guys how I do it, and it's easier because I don't have like a closed closet, because I truly believe that in my case, when I don't see pieces, I hardly wear them. So this rack was definitely the best solution I could find. I didn't have the budget, or I didn't want to put money on this on the IKEA packs, or in, like, you know, these wide opened closets that people usually have. This was the simplest option I could have, and it doesn't disturb me that the piece that you can see the pieces the minute you come into my bedroom. So it doesn't disturb me. It's definitely to see each other. It's definitely about what you like and what your taste is, but it doesn't disturb me. I like seeing my pieces. I like seeing something on the rack and thinking, oh, I've not worn it for like 2 months already, let me try and see if I can put an outfit together with this piece. So this is usually how it works for me. So yeah, let me put this back on, and let's continue. The second skirt that was here on the hanger is this kind of beige pleated skirt. I've not worn it in like a year, I think, but this is a skirt that I usually wear in summer because the material is really soft, and it has this gold, kind of gold. It's beige, but it has this slightly shiny material that I really like, and I can use it for like beige outfit, monochromatic outfits, or simple work or office outfits. So I'm keeping this one for sure. And you will probably notice it, I usually keep pieces for a long time. I have pieces that I've had for like 5 years already. I keep pieces for a long time. I buy pieces that I love. That's probably why I keep them for a long time. I don't necessarily buy pieces that I don't like, but because even if I am buying something on an impulse, I usually like the details or like the shape or find the shape interesting. So that's usually how it works. So I'm keeping this one, so I'm going to put it back here. I have two different skirts on this hanger, but I think that I'm keeping the three of them. I'm just going to show you guys which one, why I like them and why I'm keeping them. This one is a recent purchase. It's a skirt with this fringe detail. I feel like it's a really nice skirt. I love every detail on the skirt. Like it's really like it's a bodycon skirt. It's definitely really tight, but the fact that you have fringes on it just gives it another layer, and I really love it. The second one is the leopard printed skirt I was talking about. I have it for like bought it I think 2 years ago, and I really love the print. Like I said, that's why I'm keeping it, and I love the length. It's a midi skirt. I can pair it with a lot of things, so that's why I'm definitely keeping it as well. When it comes to the third one, it's this tennis skirt that were really trendy last year. I bought it I think 2 or 3 months ago. I haven't worn it yet, but because it wasn't hot enough for it. It's from LS. Maybe you recognize the logo. And yeah, it's another piece that I really like. It's really short, but it has a basic like regular tennis skirts. It has like a short underneath. So another piece that I really like that I'm probably going to wear during the next week, so I'm keeping it as well. Oh God. Oh. And if you are wondering, I just don't organize my closet I don't organize my closet in function when it comes to color. Like they are not placed color by color. I don't do that. I'm way too messy for that, so I don't put that much effort, but I usually find my pieces when I want to find them, so that's good for me. Yeah, next one, I'm doing the last one before closing the video because this video is going to be too long if I should go through all the skirts. So this is the next one. Oh, it's like this big color pink and black skirt. I bought it probably 1 or 1.5 years ago. It's really pretty, but I think that I've worn it just once and for a picture. I don't know if I should keep it though, but it's a great piece. I mean, I'm probably going to make an outfit for work, for the office this week with it, but because I really like the details, I have basic pieces like I said last week, but I really love pieces with a different aspect, like this bicolor detail. Yeah, so yeah, I haven't worn it, but I want to wear it, you know. So I'm keeping it to wear it this week, and then I will see if I still like it or not. You know what I mean? Tell me in the comment if you agree or not. Should I keep it or leave it? Keeping it or leaving it? I don't know. But I'm trying an outfit this week. If the outfit doesn't work, I am going to give it to somebody. Okay. Next one. One last skirt, and then moving on. Oh, definitely keeping all of these. I told you there's a great chance that I'm keeping like 80% of my things, and then but it still helps. I mean, I usually do this like once a year, and I realize that when you're doing a clean out, even though you don't give everything or most of your things away, you are still seeing pieces that you haven't seen in a long time, and you are like, okay, now I have inspiration for new outfits, you know, because sometimes you just don't realize it, but you use the same pieces a lot, and doing like a clean out or reorganizing your things helps you see things that you haven't worn in a long time. So maybe try that too. But I'm definitely keeping all of this. I'm showing you guys the twist skirts, but I'm keeping all of them. So first one, this neon one, it's slightly see-through. I haven't worn it yet, but I really like it. I'm definitely going to wear it. I can't wear it to work because I think it's too tight to my body. I'm going to try maybe with an undergarment that is black, so it wouldn't be see-through, and then maybe just a white shirt or something, and then some pink shoes on the bottom or something. I'm going to try and make an outfit for work with this one, but I'm not sure about wearing it at work. If I'm not wearing it at work, I'm definitely wearing it to go out. But a great piece. I love it. I love the color, I love the shape. It's slightly, so like I was saying, I'm keeping it because the length is slightly asymmetric, just slightly, but you have the detail here, so it's slightly asymmetric, so I'm keeping it for sure. And the next one is this black beige and white polka dot one, because you usually see blue and white polka dot or black and white polka dot. I don't have that much polka dot pieces, and I really love this skirt. I really love it. It has this the buttons on the buttons here on the side, and it's split, and it's split on the tight. I love it. I'm keeping it for sure too. I'm going to wear it this summer. Hopefully I'm not going to forget about it, but I'm going to wear it this summer. And the last piece is another asymmetric skirt. Yeah, this is what it's another asymmetric skirt with white and red stripes. Really like it too. Keeping it too for sure. Wearing it hopefully this summer too, if I'm going out a lot. Yeah, so that's it for my little clean out. I'm going to continue with the clean out. I just don't want to make a long video. I just wanted to chat a little bit about how to choose the pieces you keep, and maybe do a little clean out or reorganizing your closet once or twice a year to see pieces that you haven't seen in a long time, so that you can have new ideas for your next outfits. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to push the subscribe button and the like button if you liked the video. Leave a comment if you have something to add to the video, or maybe a recommendation, or maybe an idea for next videos. Thank you for watching. I wish you a great week, and see you next time. Bye.